the mango creme caramel. Couldn't resist. I love this. Time for the caramel. And making caramel is really easy. It's just sugar and water. Let it come to a boil and it turns into golden sweet goodness. And I'm pouring just enough to cover the bottom. That caramel is gonna get really hard like candy as it cools down. And while that's happening, the creme in the caramel. So just like the French way of doing things, it starts with cream. Nice heavy cream, so rich. And some milk. And what makes it Vietnamese is coconut milk. Brown sugar to make it sweet. I love this sort of dessert, kind of like that pudding or custard pudding-like texture. And I'm only heating up the milk to dissolve the sugar, so it doesn't need to boil. Okay, that's looking good. And that's it. C'est facile. That cream is already sweet from the sugar, but let's get decadent. Vanilla bean. Oh, look at that. And it's those seeds that have that vanilla flavor. And now that mango puree. I want to give it that custardy texture. That's going to come from eggs. And when I mix the egg into the cream, I do it just a little bit at a time so the eggs don't scramble. To use a metal mesh sieve. And this is gonna take out any fibers from the mango or any chunks of the mango that's left. Okay, that looks good. Look at all that mango that came out. It's gonna be smooth. Caramel. Check this out. Can you hear that? It's like glass. Oh, love it. It looks like vanilla and bean ice cream. This creme caramel, I'm not baking them. I'm steaming them. And tinfoil is gonna lock in that steam. I can't wait to eat these. Oh. I can smell the hint of vanilla. It's gonna be so good. And these just need to cool down for a bit, and then I get to eat it. These have cooled down now, and I know they're done because they're no longer jiggling. And I could just dig into it with a spoon, but when I'm enjoying a creme caramel, I want the caramel to be on the top. some more. My favorite thing to eat. Wow. This is so good. The coconut milk blends in so nicely with the cream and the milk. It's not too coconutty either. It's very delicate. Mango adds that fruity tartness to the sweet. And mixing in the fresh mango, this is everything. Oh. And this is what happens when two food cultures collide. Pure deliciousness.